Hi guys, so before you guys watch the video, could you guys like, subscribe, share, comment, and give this like a big like, and also turn on your post notifications for you guys. For every time I post a new video, you guys could get notified. Yeah, I'm trying to fix the camera. Okay, it's not the best angle, but we gotta deal with what we gotta deal with. Okay, so wait, I'm trying to fix my phone. Like, what about it like this? But it's not like it. I'll see if it's like this. Wait. Okay, whatever. But so today we're gonna be making. So we're gonna need the slime and all, but we're gonna be adding like the foam and all that stuff. So if you can't see it, so we're gonna add a little bit, not too much, because I don't want it too fluffy. So I'm just gonna mix up the shavings, and then I'm sorry if you would can't see. I'm trying to keep it in the camera. So like because this is like a kind of a big table, and this I could get on my bed, but I don't know. Because I don't want to sit down. I don't like to sit down when I'm making like two, but like I don't feel like doing it right now. So we're gonna add a little bit more because you know what? Okay, that's like basically as much as I didn't want, but whatever. Okay, wait. I'm gonna like get it. I'm gonna try to mix it off camera. It's gonna be hard. I put too much. Accident. So now my hair. So I'm just mixing it like off camera. Right now I'm gonna put you guys in a different camera because okay, sorry. Wait, now let me clean my hands real quick. I'm wiping my hands. Okay. So I'm done wiping my hands, so now we're gonna just keep mixing this. Sorry if y'all can't see. You know what? I'm gonna put you on a different camera angle because this is the first camera angle. Okay, still recording. So, sorry. My genuine fingers in the way, but we're just mixing it. It should be like this really pretty white color. Okay, ASMR. I do love not that stuffy. I'm gonna add some lotion. If I could find it, I didn't have some lotion. Wait, let me go get my lotion. I'll be back. Not too much lotion. We could deal with it. Okay, so because lotion makes it like so much better, bro. I don't want too much lotion because if I have too much lotion, it's not gonna be good no more. So we'll just come in lotion. Okay, now I can mix this. Ew, this is nice one. Okay, it's like a little sticky now. Let's deal with it because I love to make slime and beauty. I still know how to make slime. Okay, yeah, that's so much better. Stretch test. What about bubble? Okay, I'm gonna make the best of it. Okay, that accepts the punch. Yeah, not even mine. So it's better than the last like stretch. Okay, that's like so good. I really love the color. Like, oh god. Okay, now we're gonna dye the color. So let's get this out in here. So what color should we pick? I'm gonna pick this 3 cotton candy. So this one got the color shade. Got that right there. So let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna put the light back on like this. Mix it. So, I'm mixing it. Let's hope this turns out a pretty color. Mixing. Ooh. Okay, so we're still mixing, so it's gonna mix for a while. Please French. Let's add a little bit more dark blue. Okay, now we're gonna mix it. Good thing my hands are not getting tied. Okay. Okay, this is turning out a pretty blue. Stretch. Stretch on top. Oh, yes. Okay. Now we're gonna do all the testes. So just add a little bit more lotion. That lotion made it really good. Come on, lotion. Get out of here. Okay, we're gonna put the lotion right over here to see if it doesn't bother you guys. It doesn't bother me that much. But wait, put the lotion like right here because I think it bothers you guys. So now we're just okay. So far, favorite slime 10 out of 10. This is like the best texture I think ever. Okay, this crunch. Look at this stretch. Look at this crunch. I love this now. This crunch is my favorite. Okay, so we're gonna put this right over here. Okay guys, so that's today's video. Or tonight's video. So yeah. It turned out really good, as y'all could tell. Like, I might even add a little bit more shaving foam for it to be a little fluffier. I think I'm gonna add it right now. So just okay. Oh, that's right. Just a tiny bit. So we're just gonna okay. I'm gonna get the shaving foam on my hands because it's like really hard to take off. I got a little bit on my hands, but not too much. Just get it on my fingertips. Okay, so look how pretty that looks, y'all. Oh my god. So isn't that like so pretty? You guys look up here. I love it. God, yes. Okay. Yes, boy. Look how pretty that color is. Oh. I make the red bubble, but it makes it like crunches. Okay. Now, this is the end of the video. So please subscribe, share, comment, give us a big giant thumbs up, and turn on your post notifications so every time I post a new video you guys get notifications that I posted a new video. So this is pretty much it. Bye guys, hope you guys have a good night or morning. Over here it's night for me, so yeah. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna be trying to post a video really early. Bye guys, love you guys. So I already did the intro and the thing, so bye.